of RD automation learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for experience, and we would be sharing with you the remote job opportunities as well as the work from office job opportunities. So let me share those details with you. So the very first job opportunity is for the big data test engineer, and the location is Bangalore, and the experience is required is 4+ years. So you can send your email, you can send your CV to this particular email address. Then Techtic Solutions is looking for the test engineers 1 to 2 years who can join your team. And you need to have manual as well as automation testing experience, e-commerce domain experience. You can send your email. Here is the email address where you can send your CV. Then there is a requirement for QA professionals with 2 to 6 years of experience to join the team. So they are looking for 2 to 6 years of experience in QA mobile automation testing, immediate to 7-day joiners. Location is Gurgaon, Sector 44 and Bangalore, Ashok Nagar. So face-to-face interviews are there. You can go over there, and you can also share your CV to this email address. Then one of the Yash Technologies company, which is Codient, they are looking for multiple positions. They are hiring for multiple positions. So which is WordPress developer 5+ years, Monster developer 5+ years, React Native developer 5+ years, AI ML engineer 2+ years, QA engineer 2 to 3 years. So there are multiple job opportunities with this particular company. So you can send your CV at this email address. It's in work from office job role. Its location is Indore, and it's a 5 days work per week. Then there is a requirement for senior full stack testing. Location is Bangalore. Experience required is 5 to 8 years, and this is the email address. Then there is a requirement for QA testers. Location is remote, and people who have the green card, who are the US citizens, anywhere in the US, they can apply for this particular position. It's 100% remote work, flexible scheduling, supportive QA team, and they are looking for someone who has basic knowledge of SDLC, STLC, detail oriented with good communication skills, ability to work independently in a remote setting. You can send your resume to this email address. Then there is a requirement at Molia company. They are hiring for functional test engineers, automation test engineers, mobile and API testing, mobile or API, APM or REST assured. So the location is Bangalore, and they are looking for 3 to 6 years of experience in the relevant tech stack. So you can send your CV to this email address along with current CTC, expected CTC, notice period. Then there is a requirement for SDETs. Location is Gurgaon, NCR. The work mode is hybrid, client location plus work from home. Experience required is 4+ years. Notice period is up to 45 days. So these are the opportunity. They are looking for someone who is proficient in Java, JavaScript coding, API testing using REST assured, and Selenium with Java. Good understanding of CI/CD pipelines, Git, Jenkins. And if you're interested, you can reach directly to mkumar21@deloitte.com. Then there is a requirement for QA 1 to 3 years, Gurgaon location, and they are looking for someone who can create, execute test cases, perform regression and performance testing, report bugs, and work closely with the development teams. Use tools like Selenium, APM, JMeter, and test management systems. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then E2M is looking for QA experts. They are looking for QA manual, QA lead, both. The location would be Ahmedabad, work from office. Both they are looking for with respect to WordPress testing. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. So these are a few of the job opportunities for experienced people for remote jobs as well as work from home jobs. We shared with you a few of the work from office jobs, so you can apply for these particular opportunities today itself. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.